Ever notice something strange? People who look rich, fancy cars, Gucci belts, designer watches are often living paycheck to paycheck, and the ones who look like they don't have much, they are the ones quietly stacking the millions. Why is that? What if the secret to escaping the rat race isn't about looking successful, but instead it's about looking poor? It sounds backwards, but today I'm going to show you why looking poor might actually be the smartest financial decision you'll ever make. And by the end of this video, you might just rethink the way you see wealth, success, and freedom forever. Let's be real, we all crave status. We want people to see us as successful, attractive, and important. And in today's world, the easiest way to do that is to, well, flex. Flash the watch, the car, the brand new outfit. But here's the ugly truth. Most of the people who are flexing are broke. Luxury brands don't survive because billionaires shop there. They survive because middle-class workers, people just like you and me, spend every last dime just to look like they're doing better than they actually are. Statistics shows that the majority of luxury brand buyers aren't wealthy. They are people stretching their paychecks, paying interest on credit cards, drowning in debt, just to impress strangers on the internet. Really think about that. The thing is, Instagram likes doesn't pay the rent. What people fail to understand is this: Instagram likes do not pay the rent. The designer outfit doesn't cancel the car payment. And flexing for strangers is the fastest way to stay broke while looking successful. Looking poor, choosing not to flex, protects you, and here's why. First, it protects your money. Instead of spending $500 on shoes, you put $500 into investments and watch your money grow. Second, it protects your mental health. You don't feel pressured to impress people who actually don't care about you. And third, it protects your relationships. When you look like you are living average, you attract people who value you, not what you can buy for them. You avoid fake friends, leeches, and most of all, jealousy. Really think about it. The less people who know what you have, the freer you are. Nobody's asking for handouts. Nobody's watching your every move. Nobody's judging your success. Looking poor doesn't make you weak. It makes you invisible. And in a world obsessed with attention, invisibility is power. Here's something powerful everyone should know. When people underestimate you, you win. Think about it. If people think you're broke, they don't compete with you. They don't expect much from you. They don't pressure you. And in that space, in that silence, you get to build without anyone interfering. This is why the wealthiest people have real wealth, not Instagram wealth. They move in silence. They don't want to be seen. They don't want to be targeted. They rather be underestimated because underestimation gives them an edge. Looking poor gives you cover. It gives you time. It gives you room to grow. And by the time people realize how much you've built, it's already too late to stop you. Here's the part nobody tells you. If you spend $500 a month trying to look rich, it's gone. You're left with a pair of shoes that gets old, a car payment you regret, or a vacation photo that no one remembers. But if you take that same $500 and invest it month after month, year after year, that's how wealth is built. slowly, quietly, patiently. That's why real wealth doesn't look like wealth. Warren Buffett is worth over $100 billion, yet he still lives in the same house he bought in the 1950s. He eats McDonald's, he drives regular cars, he doesn't have to look rich because his bank account already does the talking. So ask yourself, do you want your money to buy temporary validation, or do you want it to purchase permanent freedom? Looking poor doesn't mean you're broke. It means you have chosen something smarter. It means you are building in silence. It means you are valuing freedom over fake validation. Looking rich is a performance. Being rich is a lifestyle. And here's the truth. Most people are so busy performing that they'll never have the patience to become free, but not you. If you're watching this, you already know something's wrong with the way we've been taught to live. You already know there's more to life than flexing for strangers. So the next time you feel the urge to buy something just to impress, don't fear looking broke, fear being broke. The flex fades, but freedom lasts forever. If you enjoyed this video or if it opened your eyes, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for what's to come.